Hi guys, based on a lot of requirement and a lot of feedback I got, I saw a lot of people are looking for central finance training, and therefore I plan to come up with a couple of batches for central finance training now in coming weeks and months. So just want to give you a preview of what the training looks like and how that will be organized. So first thing is that there is an introduction session on 30th January. You are free to register for that session, and I'll explain you how that works. So what are we going to cover in this training? So we will be covering overview of SAP Central Finance, just an end-to-end overview. We will be covering the landscape architecture, how it looks like from ECC side, from SLT side, from S4HANA side. We will cover the basic setup like RFC setup, like SLT configurations, CFIN configurations, ECC configurations, all those configuration steps. I'll explain how mappings work, the key mapping, value mapping, cost object mapping, and COPA mapping, how those works and how to set up those mappings. I will also explain you initial load and real-time replication, AIF error handling, and of course, very important component is master data with MDG and without MDG, how it looks like. And also central payment will be covered, overview and configuration, along with how real in project the business scenario looks like. So this is not a PPT training. This will be a very much hands-on training. After giving overviews, we will be working in the system, looking into the system, configuring system together. So it will be completely a hands-on training. As we are in COVID times, so training will be completely online and it would be lasting for around 40 hours. Approximately, it's not fixed, it's indicative. We can go ahead 42 hours or 38 hours. It's very indicative, but intent is we complete the course. Then we have the prerequisite, the basic SAP knowledge that is needed. And as I said, the introduction session is planned for 30th January. I will share the timing and details over with you on email once you are expressing your interest that you are interested to learn more. I will also tell you the fees and everything. How should I start now? So that is the first question. You will think, okay, I am interested in training, but what should I do now? So in the comment section, you will get a form. Fill that form out. It just asks for the basic information, your name, place, your email ID that will be used to communicate you back. Once you fill that form, you register your interest, you will receive an email with the timing, with the date is of course 30th January, with exact timing, with the link. And then in the session, we will discuss together what are the pros and what are the ifs and buts, what are the questions you have. So that session is purely to answer your questions. And then the actual training will start, the batch will start, and then we will go ahead from there. So I'm very much looking forward based on your response and comments on my blogs, on my post, and on my videos, several videos. I'm looking very much forward towards those videos, toward this training session. And I look forward to talk to you personally one-on-one and in the group and discuss together or related to core CFIN subject. So please fill out the form. In the comment section, there is a Google form. It just asks for basic information, 2 minutes, and you are done. Thank you so much. And I will look forward to see you on 30th January. Thank you.